He stole my lunch, so I turned his mouth into a fire drill. Some people borrow pens. Jake, he borrowed lunches. Every week, something from the office fridge magically disappeared. Sandwiches, snacks, leftovers, gone. Everyone knew it was him. He just shrugged. First come, first served. So I served him properly. I made a special meal. Perfect presentation, delicious smell, and the hottest ghost pepper sauce money can buy. Coated everything. Couldn't smell it, couldn't see it, but oh, he tasted it. I left it in the fridge with my name on it, just like always. Within 15 minutes, Jake was bright red, sweating bullets, running to the bathroom like his life depended on it. The whole office laughed. The fridge never raided again. Sometimes you don't need HR, just a little spice and patience.